How to add buy one get one free on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add buy one get one free inside of Shopify. Before getting started with this tutorial, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. First thing that you need to do is log in into Shopify. Once you are here, you'll need to go into discounts and then you need to click on create discount. From here you will get 4 options. You have to choose the second one, buy X and get Y. And then you will be presented with 2 ways through which you can give your customers this discount. Either you can enable an automatic discount or you can create a discount code. Let's just say that I want to give an automatic discount to every customer that comes into the store. So I will click on automatic discount and then I'm going to name this automatic discount. Let's just name this discount as BOGO. So now I'm going to be scrolling down and now we are provided with 2 options. Either we can give a minimum quantity of the items which is to be purchased by the customer, or we can give a minimum purchase amount. I'm going to be selecting a minimum purchase amount. And now inside the amount, I want to mention that if a person makes a purchase of around 2000 rupees, then the buy one get one free option will be applied. Okay, let's scroll down. And now we have to search the product that the customer needs to purchase in order to avail the buy one get one free. So let's go to browse and you can select any product that you like. Let's just say I want to give this option for this particular product right here. I will select this and click on add. And now we will select what kind of product the customer will get as soon as they complete the minimum purchase requirement. Let's scroll down again and then we're going to be adding 1 within the quantity ranger. Let's keep this option as specific products from now on. And then inside of products, let's go on browse. And since we want to give a buy one get one free option, I'm going to be selecting the same product. And then I'm going to click on add. Now let's scroll down again. And here again, we are presented with 3 options. I'm going to be selecting free. And now let's scroll down. So we have a start date and we can mention an end date if we like to, or if we want this offer to run continuously without stopping, then we can choose not to set an end date. Okay, now that that is done, let's go ahead and click on save discount. And your buy one get one free discount will be created. And that was a quick tutorial on how to add buy one get one free to Shopify. If you like this tutorial, then consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications and giving this video a giant thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.